Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Cherry Tigo crossovers ang Farm Fresh 21-25, 25-14, 25-17, 25-20. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ara Galang sa likod na kanang 20 points, 15 attacks, 4 blocks at 1 ace. Nag-ambag naman si Gaston ng 3 points, Maranyo 0 point, Galang 10 points, 15 attacks, 4 blocks, 1 ace. Nabor 1 point, Karandang 12 points, Robles 21 points, 16 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 aces, 8 excellent digs. Verdiflor 24 digs, 9 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag din si Bicar ng 4 points at 15 excellent sets. Rodriguez 5 points, Kagandi 1 point, Adorador 7 points, 4 excellent receptions. Para naman sa natalong Farm Fresh, nagtala si Toring ng 5 points, 2 blocks, 1 ace. Reza Cruz 8 points, 1 ace. Tubo 15 points, 14 attacks, 1 block. Romero 1 point, 13 excellent sets. Bertolano 9 points, 9 attacks, 12 digs, 7 excellent receptions. Jolina de la Cruz 7 points. Delerio 16 digs. Nag-ambag naman ng 2 points si Ildefonso, Viray 3 points, La Rosa 1 point, Abellana 4 points, Tagsip 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng Zeus Thunderbells ang Capital One Solar Spikers 31-29, 25-15, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Chenny Arroyo sa likod na kanang 15 points, 13 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Nag-ambag naman si Gagati ng 8 points at 2 blocks. Michelle Gamit 12 points. Gonzaga 7 points. Mondonido 2 points, 1 block, 14 excellent sets. Arroyo 15 points, 13 attacks, 1 ace, 12 digs. Troncoso 12 points, 11 attacks, 8 digs, 5 excellent receptions. Angeles 9 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Santiago ng 2 points. Pascual 5 points. Versosa 6 excellent receptions. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Niegos ng 6 points at 1 block. Villegas 0 point. Estrella 7 points, 7 attacks. Tolinada 5 digs, 10 excellent sets. Sing 10 points, 10 attacks. Genesis 5 points, 5 excellent receptions. Doromal 10 digs, 17 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag din si Clemente ng 6 points, Orindain 0 point, Makatuno 0 point, Ginoo 4 points, Cruz 4 points at 1 ace. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 25, 2025. Petrogas Angels 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Signal HD Spikers 5 wins, 1 loss, 15 points. Creamline Colsmasters 5 wins, 0 loss, 14 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 3 losses, 14 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Akari Chargers 4 wins, 4 losses, 12 points. Zeus Thunderbells 3 wins, 4 losses, 11 points. Farm Fresh 3 points, 4 losses, 10 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 6 losses, 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 6 losses, 4 points. NX Lead Chameleons 0 win, 7 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong January 28, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Inlex Lead Chameleons at Creamline Colsmasters alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Signal HD Spikers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.